Beloved family, today we reflect on a simple yet profound truth. We are not meant to journey through life alone. Each of us, no matter how strong, needs the love and support of others. Life can be challenging, and there are times when we feel the weight of our burdens too heavy to carry alone. But there, within this community, we don't have to. There's a strength in unity, and when we stand together, we become an unshakable force of love and compassion. Look around you at those who share this sacred space. They are not just fellow travelers. These are your brothers, your sisters. In moments of hardship, they are your support system. When you stumble, they will catch you. But when they falter, you will be there to lift them up. This is the beauty of community, a place where no one walks alone, where we carry each other's burdens and share each other's journeys. At the Church of Elle, we believe deeply in this calling to be a community that uplifts one another. We are stronger together in unity. We find the courage to face life's challenges, no matter how daunting. And in unity, we find the grace to celebrate life's blessings, no matter how small. We are a family of faith, and like any family, we're bound not just by shared beliefs, but by love. Love that sees beyond differences. Love that welcomes each person with open arms. Let us be a community where compassion flows freely, where kindness is our light, and where love is our guiding light. In a world that often feels divided, let us be the example of what it means to live in harmony. No support against those that wish to bring us down, but we must support one another with a genuine heart. So I ask you today, will you be a part of this family of faith? Will you commit to being the hands and heart of love in this community? Will you walk with your brothers and sisters, holding them up in times of trial and rejoicing with them in times of joy? Together, we are stronger. Together, we will rise, hand in hand, heart to heart, building a foundation of love that will withstand any storm. Let us build this community and let it be one where everyone is seen, everyone is valued, and everyone is loved. Amen.